Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming power and battery. Low charge can prevent pairing. Hold the power button for 1 second to turn the Beat Studio 3 on. Watch the status LED. Once on, make sure the source device's Bluetooth is open and visible. This is required because the headphones only announce and accept requests when both devices can see one another. If you previously paired the headphones, keep them on and move close to the source to ensure a stable discovery window. You force pairing by holding the power button for about 5 seconds. This clears automatic reconnect and puts the headset into discoverable mode. Watch the LED. It will flash to indicate pairing readiness. White flashes mean discovery, red or alternating may indicate low battery or error. Once the LED indicates pairing, look at your phone or computer's Bluetooth list and tap Beat Studio 3. If prompted, accept the pairing request. This completes the handshake, so you finalize pairing by playing audio and verifying sound comes from the beats. Make sure both device and headset volumes are up. Sometimes device output is set to speaker. If the headphones don't appear, reset them. Hold power and volume down together for roughly 10 seconds until LED flashes, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, reboot your phone or computer, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, and try a fresh pair. This clears stale profiles and often fixes lingering connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.